What's up, beauties? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is ireneezzy. Thank you for clicking on this video. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be creating a full face holiday makeup look. I have been wanting to create this look for like forever. This is the third time, okay, that I'm sitting down and trying to film this video. The first two times I couldn't even go halfway because I just wasn't feeling well. All right, so hopefully we'll be able to get through in this third time. I hope this is going to be my last time filming this for this year. And by the way, happy new month. We made it to the final month of the year. I'll try and see if I can put in a little bit of this clapping things, like this cheering, noise into this video. But yeah, we made it to the final month of the year. I am super happy. I am super grateful for a lot of things. I'm grateful to God for life. I'm grateful for good health, for my family. I'm also grateful for you guys. I'm grateful for this platform. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. My skin is prepped. I'm going to go in with my primer for today. And I got this new primer. It is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I've seen this primer all over TikTok, Instagram, name it, you name it. Okay, so I had to go get mine. And also, before you get into your makeup, please let us prime. All right, there was a time your girl didn't used to prime. I'm so ashamed to say this, but yes, there was a time I didn't prime, especially when I got into makeup newly. And the reason was because I thought I didn't need primer. And that is a big lie, okay? You need to prime your face because the primer acts as a barrier, like as a wall between your skin and the makeup. If you don't prime, you might end up breaking out like me, okay? So be sure to prime. And also it helps your makeup sit nicely and smoothly on your skin, and it also helps your makeup to last longer. Oh, the consistency, it has this sticky consistency. I'll just go directly on my face and see. So we have to wait for like 30 seconds before we go in with our color corrector. Okay, so while waiting for the product to set on our face, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera because you guys have seen me 1,000 times do my brows. And if you want to know the recent way I started doing my brows, go ahead and click on the previous video. I'll put the link here. Before this one, I kind of like went a bit in depth about how to draw your brows if you're a beginner, all of those kind of things. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows and I'll be right back. So guys, I am done with my brows. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to color correct, and I'll be using the LA Girl Pro color corrector. So I'll be using the SHEGLAM hydrating foundation. I hope you guys can see that. And using my Real Techniques foundation brush, I'll pick up the product. The next thing I'll be going in with is my damn beauty blender, and I'm going to focus more on the sides that I didn't use the color corrector, just to go over it again and just make sure that everything is seamlessly blended into my skin. So now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer, and you guys know the drill, okay? My go-to concealer at all times. Like, I don't have any other concealer except this. Okay, I do have a lot, but these are like my favorite concealers. And that is the e.l.f. Hydrating Chemo Concealer. put that here and here. I'm going to let this sit on my skin. While we let that sit, I'm going to go ahead and get on with my eyes. I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent satin powder. So there is a little bit of powder here. So I'm just lightly. The Manhattan Glow eyeliner. So this is how it looks. I went ahead to swatch it a bit, but I'm going to show you guys. This is how it looks. It has a little bit of a shimmer in it. It has a little subtle shimmer. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use my bronzer, and the shade I'm using is dark. This is the Revolution Glow bronzer. I'm going to go ahead, pick up this angled brush because I'm focusing it here. See that? I'm picking up the black eyeshadow from the NYX palette. So after doing that, I'm going to take a little brush like this one here. I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going to then pick up the green, this green right here, and go in and smudge it. Hopefully it turns out great because I had something in mind going in with this look, but let's see. Going into my cookie palette right here, I'm going to take this shade and apply it into my crease. We're kind of like done with that for now. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out my concealer, and to be doing that, I'm going to take my concealer brush and just like dab that into my skin. So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer. This is a lighter shade. This is Tan Sand. Same concealer but in a different shade. And I'm going to pop one here and pop another one just to brighten up my eyes, okay? I'm going to contour, and I'll be using the LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Dark Cocoa. Press that into my skin. I'm not moving it around, I'm just going up and down just to blend it in, and so there are no like harsh lines. So after doing that, I'm going to apply my blush. You can also use Makeup Forever blush palette as well, and this is the shade I'm using. Starting with the place I applied my concealer, and also using my Laura Mercier, tap that into my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face using the Fit Me, L'Oreal Fit Me, no, Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush right here. Be sure to dust off excess and just swipe. First of all, I'm going to go in with this shade. Now I'm going to go in with black just to intensify the look. I'm going to go ahead using this brush. I'll dust off this excess powder right here. Especially this one is like, oh my god. Using my Milani highlighter, I'm going to pick it up a bit and I'll put it here. I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face, and I'll be using the NYX setting spray, dewy setting spray. Give it a shake. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. This is where you can apply your falsies, but I won't be doing that. Just going to take my mascara, the Essence mascara, and just use it to lift my natural lash. Using the same highlighter, I'm just going to apply it here. Oh, wow. I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Cabo. So guys, this is the final look. I didn't wear any earrings, guys, but yeah, this is the final look. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely feeling this look. I'm definitely feeling this look. You let me know in the comment section. Is it giving? Is it giving holidays? It's giving full glam for sure. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video.